So this is a very important design. The series of the plunger tip developed by Allper in Switzerland is a good example of designer making best use of the increasing fund of knowledge regarding the interaction of the plunger tip and the short sleeve, and also responding to changing demand of a growing market. A conventional plunger tip is screwed directly onto the hollow plunger rod with the ARP tip, a stainless steel reusable tip holder is screwed onto the rod. And the copper tip is easily and securely connected with the quick release by knot type connector. The front of the holder lies in a full contact with the inside face of the plunger tip and absorbs the total pressure of the shots. The face can be uncommonly thin. This enhances the heat exchange. The holder allowed the water to be used more effectively. The water flow from the center of the short rod through the holder and directly to the inside face of the plunger tip, wherein turbulent flow is generated to maximize the heat transfer. It is then distributed, distributed through several channels to the circular external coolant return channel. Beryllium copper is an ideal medium. You should know that to dissipate heat away from the plunger to the cooling water. A major drawback, however, is that it is not nearly as hard or wear resistant as the steel of the short sleeve. The copper tip, therefore, would wear out fairly quickly since the tip was dimensionally stable and the gap controllable. This problem was then solved with a wear ring of nitrided F13 steel. This tempered steel ring is split and expand against the inside wall of the short sleeve. Only the ring wears, not the comparatively of soft tip. The wear rings float freely in a groove machined in the plunger tip. It is easily removed or installed with a special hand tool in about 5 minutes. The die and the short sleeve is chamfered to compress the ring and guide it back into the sleeve. Because the ring is flexible, it makes continuous contact with the inside of the short sleeve. Slack, which is major cause of wear, is essentially eliminated. Short, speed are consistent. These are the benefits. Since the expanding wear ring ensures a secure seal between the plunger and the short sleeve, a better vacuum can be drawn. So the ARP wear rings type plunger tip reduce both scrap and downtime. It eliminates flash, ensure consistent short velocity, extend short sleeve operating life, and enable improved vacuum. The ARP plunger tips have been successfully and profitably used for a number of years, but the market of aluminum casting is changing. Casting are now being required, especially in automotive sector, that are larger, thinner, or more complex with closer tolerance than even before, and at the faster rate of production than previously so possible. Plunger tip used to be seldom larger than 6 inch, now 8-inch tips. Plunger tips are not uncommon. The demand on the plunger tip, particularly in strength, stability, outgrow the replaceable wear ring plunger. This lead to the development of ultra high strength AMP plunger. This high strength modular uh, plunger tip has been designed especially for the production of large casting. The Berlin copper body is longer and it has a repeatable steel head. As with the standard, as with the standard ARP tip, the copper alloy body of the heavy duty AMP plunger tip is fastened to the stainless steel holder by the binode type quick release coupling. It incorporates several parts, optional steel or copper alloy, expandable wear rings are available in for high vacuum application. The extra strength of the steel heads on this plunger also help it to withstand the extreme impact of the inevitable shots. When the plunger contacts the die, this durable and efficient plunger tip is now becoming widely used in high volume production of aluminum automotive equipment block. So it is very important that plunger tip replacement is always predicted and scheduled. Unscheduled downtime that result in knock-off or interrupted production run is no longer necessary and unacceptable.